better to ask him about the question why is better here.
Okay.
And about this.
How many awards are here?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, can you tell me again who those people are and what they're doing in your room? Instead of having, pictures of Batman and the heroes kids usually have in their bedroom.
Superman.
Yeah.
Yeah. That first one is Dr. Lama Muhammad Iqbal, our poet, and not only poet, a philosopher, a scholar, and the best thing is that he was a seer. And the second one is Dr. Abdul Sattar Eidi, who have founded Eidi Center in Pakistan and spent his whole life in one kind of dress. The third one is Abdul Salam, the first Nobel Peace Prize awarded in Pakistan. And the fourth one is Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook. The fifth one is Bill Gates, William Henry, who has founded Microsoft. And the last one is Einstein. The first three are Pakistani heroes, and the last three are worldwide heroes.
So why do you have them in your bedroom and not like comics?
Yeah. Dr. Lama Muhammad Iqbal is my inspiration, so that's why it's on the top. And I study his ideology, I study his philosophy, and I like his simplicity, and I like his work, his job, and that how he inspired the whole world, how he inspired the people. And Mark Zuckerberg, that William Henry, Bill Gates, and Einstein, they were in childhood they were not good as that much, and they were dropped out from their schools, and now they're heroes of the world.
Okay, but you told me something which I found quite striking. Said those are the comics. Like Spider-Man is a fake hero, and they are
Spider-Man, Batman, Superman. Those are all fake heroes, but these are the real heroes.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so when I tell you that your bedroom doesn't look like a boy's bedroom, you agree with me? You agree with me? I mean, would you say that this doesn't look like kids of your age?
Elders, yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm agree.
why do you want it to look like this? Because it's your choice to have those pictures on the walls.
Yeah. I've made library from my bedroom. My souvenirs, my awards that different colleges, schools, universities awarded me, those are here. And books are there which I study. Hayatul Sahaba, Siratul Nabi, these all books are here, and I study these books. Means I've made library from my bedroom. I learn from everywhere. I learn in the University of Spoken English at my university, and in home I learn here. There's a computer. I use my mobile, and I learn with my father, with my mother, with my brothers and sisters.
So why don't you play with toys like kids of your age? There are no toys.
I don't play with toys. I play, toys. Badminton, I used to play. It's also a toy. Cricket, I play. Football, I play. These are all the toys.
No, those are games. It's different. I mean, people.